Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to register on Mundi website and how to access to Jupyter Notebooks. First, go at the top of the page and click on Login, then Register. Fill all the fields necessary to create a new account. Okay, so now our account is created. Let's go for Jupyter Notebooks. Here in the menu, select Marketplace. Then use the search bar to find Jupyter Notebooks service. If you want to access to notebooks that are related to a special event, like hackathon, click on the corresponding service. Otherwise, if you need to access to classical Mundi's notebooks, click on Mundi Jupyter Notebook. Thanks for watching.